Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to make GIFs from videos on mobile. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So let's start. If you want to make or convert your video to make GIFs, then all you have to do here is you have to look for the specific tool that you can use to convert your video or a video from your phone or mobile to GIF. This is Easy GIF tool. All you have to do is to upload your video or a video from your mobile and convert to GIF. Some phones do have a built-in feature to convert videos to GIFs and others don't. Phones with built-in video to GIF brands like Samsung and some other Google Pixel Android, but older models, especially older Androids or basic phones, don't offer it natively. So in this case, we're going to use third-party application or other tools. And as you can see, I'm currently downloading the video or the GIF that I have converted using this tool. Aside from this easy GIF, you can also go to any web browser, for example, Google, and then you can see tons of video to GIF converter, and all you have to do is to select one. And same thing, what you're going to do here is just tap on choose files, select that specific video that you want to make or convert to GIF. And then after that, you will see a convert option or button. And all you have to do is to tap that one. This tool will convert or make that video into GIF. And as a result, this is what it looks like. So this is a video from my mobile, and I make this or convert this into GIFs. And basically, that's how easy it is to make GIFs from videos on mobile. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.